This is a swarm of birds or bats, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, it's birds. That is sick, bro. This is in Pennsylvania. This is birds. It's freezing.
Looks like a shark. Oh, that looks like a shark.
Yo, I have this all on recording.
I'm guessing what they look like. A ghost.
This looks like a trumpet, kind of.
Trumpet. That is wild.
I'm gonna upload this to YouTube. This is insane.
A turtle.
Wow. That looks like a spade.
Amazing.
Hearts.
Oh, wow. It looks like a hat. Are they trying to communicate? It kind of looks like Saturn. Yo, this could be aliens or some shit.
What the hell?
Sorry, what I... Yo, this could be like aliens' message.
And then some of them just, ooh, where are they going? The ones that are going down to the ground.
Holy cow. They're dispersing.
Bro!
Oh my god, where are they going?
It's a turtle.
Oh my god, this is so cool.
Wild.
It's like a hurricane.
Ah, it's a tornado.
Oh, they're birds, all right. Oh, wow, here they come.
Oh, they're right here. Bro, this is
Wow.
next level.
Oh, that little group is staying together. Look at that little group.
Oh my god, this is like a bird show. I'm so glad I'm getting this all on camera.
My favorite part today.
This is so much better than the light show at Macy's.
So much better.
And I have it all on camera.
Oh my goodness. How did they know to leave in like groups of 25?
Oh my god, bro.
How many birds have fallen at once?
Pretty amazing.
This is insane.
Imagine you all at home.
Should we just leave or something?
Let's see. Look, they're almost at the end.
Is this a natural phenomenon?
Look, let's see where the last ones go. Oh god, they all came down together.
Wow.
How did they know?
I think somebody's controlling.
Oh, that's so cool.
Gee, here they come.
Bye. Bye, birdies. That was insane.
That's a conspiracy theory.
Subscribe to Sinister, guys.